everyone, this is pork loin. I'm gonna go ahead and make pork dry sun beef. Pork dry sun beef gonna be nice, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make. I bought this one. It's not expensive. It's about maybe 28 or under $30 right here. It's all good meat right here. Let's go start make the dry sun pork. Say Lao say pork สวรรค์ Okay มาเฮ็ดกันเลย Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead cut piece by piece to make beef pork jerky, sun dry pork. Okay, I'm gonna cut all the way this, finish it up right here. And I'm gonna cut this big one piece of this right here, just like that. Just like that. See that? I'm gonna finish all of this and I'm gonna finish all of this, and I'm gonna show you how to make seasoning salt to be pork sun dry. Okay, this is last strip I cut. I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce to seasoning. Alright, this is a lot of pork jerky, guys. Last, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce, good pork jerky sauce, and you will love it right here. You know, when you want some, always take it out and deep fry. So I'm show you how to first step. First step, cut the pork. Second step, make salt. The third step, dry. Fourth step, deep fry. So good. Okay, time to mix sauce. Ginger going down, garlic going down, black pepper going down. This is gonna be good, guys. Okay, go ahead. Brown sugar going down. 1 cup, 2 cup. I would say 3 cup. Okay, guys. Yeah, 3 cup. Yep. Okay, just a little bit MSG. That's it. Sauce about 1 spoon. First, if not enough, I always have to add on some more later on. Okay, fish sauce. This Thai piece fish sauce. Okay, 1 cup for now. 2. I'm gonna go ahead for 2. 2. 1 more. Number 3. Let's go start to blend it. Cover up. You know, I cooking is very easy, guys, because that's the way I cook. Okay, so easy. Go blend it. Okay, come to my machine blender. Okay, go ahead. Let's go taste first. Take a taste. If not enough, always add on more. Okay, let me taste. I think I put 1 more fish sauce. Okay, this is number 4 of the fish sauce. Taste 1 more time. Perfect. So good, guys. So good. Okay, now I make the sauce already done. My beef already cut. I'm gonna go ahead seasoning. Come on, let's get started. So easy. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this. And here come my sauce. Just like that, okay? So easy. Doing this way. All of this sauce going down just like that. Very easy. Let's go ahead and take all the salt out because all the goodness in here. Clean out everything. And now we're gonna mix well. Oh, smells so good. Smell black pepper, smell garlic, smell good. All the good stuff in here. See that? The globe so big. Yep, just like that. You see, so easy. You know, when you make beef jerky or pork jerky, all you need to do, make the sauce the way I make, and you taste first. When you taste anything not enough, you fix in your sauce. Sugar, salt, anything. And then if you certify how you taste, then you just go and drop in here. That's it. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the tray and dry them out, okay? You know, I got black sesame, black sesame. I'm gonna go ahead and put in here all of this. Be nice and yum. Okay? Put all of this. This is how you eat sesame seed. Then I'm gonna go ahead and mix all of them together again. When you deep fry, they're looking good because the beet is pink and red color, and the black sesame seed going down and look beautiful, right? That's how you eat sesame seed, guys. Okay? And this is beautiful. Yep, that's it. Simple. It's so easy and done. Okay, now go ahead dry. This is already seasoning so good, right? I'm gonna go ahead put in the tray right here, let them dry out. Alright. Keep doing all of this. See, just keep going, just dry like that. About 2 or 3 days would be perfect. And then after that, you put in the freezer. You can eat anytime you want to, you know. That's how good is a beef, dry beef pork, sun dry. Alright. Okay, now it's already done. For one tray, I'm gonna go on. There's another tray right here. Okay, this is another tray. Okay, that's another tray. Okay, it's another tray. Wow, it's a lot, guys. Okay. Alright, put in here. Another one. One hand, guys. Rough. Ooh, yes. Last one, guys. Last one. So whatever tray I got, just use it. Okay, my beef pork sun dries, ready to dry. 1 day, 2 days from now. Okay, guys. And then here's second tray. And here's third right here. 4, 5 trays. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna show you how to eat next time. Step 1, step 2, step 3 done. Step 5, eat. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.